But I have got a great big hole up there on the roof. And I've got pictures which he said he's going to send me. So I'm not sure of when I can upload this to make it all make sense. But I'll show you afterwards, hopefully we'll be able to see it properly. So, just there, you can see the slate has fallen and a few are cracked apparently. So it's costing me 200 quid to do. That's not bad. And apparently we're getting a hurricane. So we shall see what it looks like afterwards. It's got, look, you can see grass growing out of it. He's getting clumps of it out of there. And the wood is rotten as well. Really bad. So it needs doing. Apparently we're getting hurricane weather. And a whole load of rain. I didn't even know. So, yeah, there you go. That's today. I'll see what happens with these tiles. They look like they've slipped and all. Anyway, there you go. Hopefully we'll see it finish. Right, hopefully now, because the sun ain't glaring so much under this tree, now we can see it repaired. Now, I'm sure you've seen it with a hole in it in other videos, but yeah, happy with that. Those two slates there are just there. He said they're not really an issue. So they're okay at the moment. Said I need a new barge board at some point. Not an emergency though, but I'll show you inside and show you the damage it's caused. But now you can see I have not got a hole. Look, 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 that pigeon's going to go in. It wants to go in its nest and it can't anymore. That's hard luck, isn't it? Because they were going in there fucking nesting and fucking pissing about. And now I've got no pigeon going in there. That's good news. Yeah, no more for you. Look, it's trying to get in. Knock, 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 but there's no one home. Yeah. Happy with that. Well happy. See, look at it. What a cunt. Doing all the damage. I'll show you the damage inside now anyway. And also show, let's show Rooker. Rookie. It's the lazy chair. Let's go inside. Now I think I showed you the other day, didn't I, about this? So I did get some netting put up there in 2020. You can see they've made a nest there somehow and got in there, those pigeons. But there's the barge board. He reckons it'll need replacing, but not yet. But it's lucky I got it done today because of the hurricane coming apparently. So there you go, nice blue sky, but it's been grey as well. Let's go inside, I'm rambling. Right, so here's the damage that it had caused inside the house. I'm on the very top floor, so you just saw the side window here from outside. But you can see, look, 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 even the curtain rail fell down, yeah? Because it obviously came too wet. So now, I've got to decorate this room again. Because it's full of mould, wetness, dampness, all because of that slate. And I decorated this in 2017. But because the roof has gone wrong, it fucking made the room go mouldy. I've had people stay in this room and all. Aaron Waite, Shaquille, who else? Others. I don't know, Savage. Other people. Can't think of the top of my head now. Why not? Anyway, so you can see the damage it's caused there. Now I'll show you the damage it caused in the pub, which made me fucking get this done quick. Right, so here we are in the pub room. Now, as you know, I decorated this in 2021. But because of that roof tile, yeah, look at the damage it's caused. And this is newly plastered and painted work. See all that there? Look, you can, I don't know if you can see the blackness on the wall there. Like it looks like it's been stained or pissed on. That is the rain that's come in and made it look like that. You can't see it with a naked eye properly because nobody really looks there. They just see that bit. But you see I've got, so, you know, maybe I might have to repaint that at some point. Bloody annoying, but job is now done, and I can edit this video. Oh, and the cost of it just now for me to do was 200 quid. 200 quid just for them to do a slate, put a slate on, because it's so high up and whatever. So yeah, 200 quid, I'm happy. Roof is repaired, and that is it. And luckily I got that money in from the bookers, so might have struggled a bit if I didn't. There we go. Happy days. Have a good day.